Orlando Pirates have officially announced the transfer of highly rated young defender Bekezile Mbokas to Major League Soccer side Chicago Fire, ending weeks of mounting speculation about the 20-year-old's next move. In a statement on Tuesday, the Sosa Giants confirmed that the clubs reached an agreement after Mbokas successfully completed his medical assessment and finalized personal terms during a recent trip to the United States. The move is said to become the most significant step yet in the Bafana Bafana International's rapidly accelerating career. Bogas's rise has been nothing short of extraordinary. Having only made his senior debut on 5 March 2025, the young star has quickly established himself as one of Pirates' brightest prospects. Within months, he secured his first silverware with the Buccaneers and a call-up to the senior national team, signaling his swift ascent on both the domestic and international stage. His performances have been so compelling that he is widely tipped to make a Hugo Process Africa Cup of Nations squad for the upcoming tournament in Morocco. The move to MLS is expected to further bolster his development and global visibility. As part of the agreement between Pirates and Chicago Fire, Bogart will remain with the Buccaneers until the end of 2025, ensuring he is available for selection during a crucial phase of the club's domestic campaign. He will complete the transfer thereafter, allowing him to close out the year with his current teammates before embarking on the next chapter of his career abroad. For Pirates, the arrangement balances immediate competitive needs with the long-term ambitions of one of South Africa's most promising young talents. For Mbokazi, the switch represents a significant leap onto the international stage, one many believe could be the beginning of an exceptional global football journey. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.